Hello, all you wonderful kiddos. This is the last one of these I'll be doing before Christmas break, to where I hope we get to see you guys in January. I really do hope to see that. Now, this is going to be your assignment Monday, and it's going to be due Thursday. Now, I'm giving this to you on Monday so you can start your research, start your own little thing here. So that way, Tuesday we can talk about it, help each other out. I'll go into further details with you there as well. Wednesday, you guys can work on your own as well. And Thursday, finish it up, turn it in. Okay. Now, what we're going to be covering is something called unconformity. All right. So the Grand Canyon has a missing layer of rock that's called the unconformity, which is a gap in time estimated to be around 1.2 billion years. Okay. So what I am asking you all to do is to do your own little research on this mystery, why that's happened. So look, now, so first, I want to get into these three things down here. How does the great unconformity, now the part that you guys have to actually fill out, all right? How does the great unconformity provide evidence of the history of Earth? So now, there's three things you need to know for here: claim, evidence, and reasoning. So the claim part up here at the top, this is what you guys will put in and actually make your claim of, I believe this. All right. Then here, you're going to find for me the evidence that I'll show you guys where you're going to go for that, what videos and stuff you guys will need for that as well. And there's evidence here that I want you guys to put in. And then the reasoning is why your evidence backs your claim. You have to explain yourself here. Okay. You have to explain yourself here. All right. And now, you have heard that the Great Unconformity can also be seen at Sakar Point in Scotland. What evidence would you need to gather in order to prove this? I'll be going over that with you guys in class on Tuesday. Okay? I'll be going over Sakar Point with you guys on Tuesday. All right? So, remember, this is about gathering evidence, making claims, and reasoning. This is what you need to be a scientist. This is science stuff. So, now, the Grand Canyon is an ancient landform over 1.2 billion years old. We can see the layers of rock as we travel down into the canyon, and there is one big question that has baffled scientists for years. At the bottom of the layers of rock, there's a 1.2 billion year gap in the rock record that has been called the Great Unconformity. This rock layer, the rock that should be there, is simply missing. And scientists have been working on understanding the missing pieces of time in Earth's geologic record. Okay, here's a great article that gives you guys insight into this as well. I went through this. It's a great read. It's not a long read. Now, for this, you guys will have to disable your ad blocker. Okay, now that is the button that's up here. It may ask you to do that. So you'll simply have to go up here to the top, ad block. It's one of the Google Chrome extensions that you guys have to download, all right? So pause on this site, or I can just say I messed that up, actually. Ad block. Okay. And then say don't run on pages on this site. That is fine. Okay. Done this before. Now it's not letting me, but whatever. So, as you read through this, guys, there's great stuff here for you, and this thing is just not working with me right now. This has worked for me in the past. Let's see if that works. No, it does not. And then after you are finished there, what you guys need to do is we go back here. There's those, that, I don't know why that would not let me access that. I just got on there a little bit ago, so I'm sorry about that. As you guys go through this, you see right here that you can see the unconformity in between these two groups of rock, okay? Now, the information right down here gives us more information about what these rock layers are, what time period they come from. These are just information on those rock layers, okay? Now, I know you guys love to read. So what I have done, these are awesome articles here for you guys to read on this. But I have also included on here these two videos that are talking about what are the unconformities and the rock layers and stuff that go with it. So you can use those as well on your research part here, or in lieu of it, which means instead of. Okay, so that's what we will be going over Tuesday as well, making sure we're getting into good detail here. But I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to start this yourself on Monday. Okay, so as usual, guys, if you have any questions at all, please email me, send me a message. That is perfectly fine. I can't wait to see you guys, and I hope you all are doing well. All right, see y'all.